On Bybit, you'll be able to trade 100% risk-free. If you are starting to learn how to trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you don't want to risk your capital, on Bybit, you'll be able to do this without risking your funds. Here, there's this mode on Bybit right here called demo account. Demo trading, you can call it demo account. Well, you see, I've just switched to this demo account. You have money over here, this account to trade. Remember, you can withdraw these funds. And if this is your first time on my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel. I will be making these videos more often because I also trying to master my trading. I'm learning more how to trade because I think I've learned how to trade for a long time. Then I just want to practically do this with my capital. But before I started using my actual money to do this, I need to test my strategy. Maybe I know what I'm doing before I started using my own money to do this. And right here, this is the token I placed an order last time, maybe 2 days ago, to short Ethereum, because in my journey of learning how to trade crypto, I learned about support and resistance and downtrend and uptrend. Right here, I saw this token is been trading at this resistance over here. If you can see over here, once this price comes to around this place, the price normally spark come down again. Then I just try to enter short position right there. If you can see this X, that short, and the take profit price is $1,600, that's 1,605, and the stop loss that I want to get out in this trade, if this trade go against me, is $1,872, that's $1,870. So right now this trade are being in active like maybe 24 hours ago, and if you see over here, this price actually go up right here to this my stop loss. It remain like almost like $3 before this trade stop trading. And one thing about this trading is you learn how to set a reasonable stop loss for your trading, and that's all. I'm still learning trading and learn how to master this strategy. And right here, if I come over here, as you can see, this trade is in $15 loss, that's 8.63% loss, and the actual money I'm using to trade this token is $179, which is on 10x leverage. And right here, I'm not losing any money, or I'm going to lose, because I'm just using this demo accounts to learn how to trade. And right here, I'm going to take another trade and come over here to I'm going to come over here to change another token to I'm going to check the Sol token. And right here, as you can see, if you were the one to take a trade right here, if you are the one to take a trade and you are seeing the price right here, hopefully I'm going to short this, because this is the resistance over here. As you can see, if I plan to short this, I know I have to put my stop loss at around $35 or $36 of worth of Solana right here. So I have this downside of making money if I short this, and if this price spark up go against me, I will know that this token is not coming down again. As you can see, the daily chart right here is showing this token is being trading in red bar, and I'll just try to go in short on this, but I'm going to go to 4 hours time frame. As you can see, this is trading down. This trend wants to reverse as the action over here. It wants to change the trend. Daily charts, and as you can see, I checked this. There is kind of changing in trend. This higher low, lower high. So right here, there is this changing in trend. I can just go short on this price right here and wait for this token to actually reverse, or if I'm wrong, this my stop loss over like 38 or 36 dollar per Solana price is going to stop me out. At least I have this chance to short Solana to around $26 per one, and that's what I will be trying out right here. I will need to set the price. I will choose the price I want to enter. I will choose this price. Buy. I'm going to buy immediately, and I will choose the amount. Let me choose 10. Remember, I'm not using my money. I just want to learn this strategy, what I'll just short. And right here, I would need to increase this amount of this all, and again just go short. And as you can see, this is the sole position I just took right here. The price is saying loss like 70 cents, and that's the trade I just took right here. As you can see, when I come to this chart, as you can see, this is my entry. You see this sell, and this is my stop loss around there, and this is my take profits. So if this price go against me, it's going to stop me out around this $36, and if this price go to this $26, I'm going to take profit. So that's what you need to be learning, or you need to look up to. And I'm just going to be doing this frequently. And if you want to learn more about this also, you can do this together, and go down in the comment section what you think about the strategy, or how I decide to place this trade, if it's okay or is not, and you want to correct me, or you have something to say about this trade. Remember, I've learned how to identify an uptrend and downtrend and resistance and stuff like that. So I just need to try this out and make sure I actually know what I'm doing. So on my next video, I'm going to show you how this trade goes. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.